I see Michael's butt. Hey, honey. Hey, sweetie. Oh, don't you look cute? He's hungry. Now, when you see this in 17 years from now, you're going to see how much of a whiner you were. Aren't they cute? That's Grandma out there, the big voice that you hear. Oh, that's his bottle. Don't move the nut. You want to videotape you eating? Can you zoom in or anything?
Yeah, it's up top. No, you're supposed to be holding your hand in that strap to the right. No. Yeah, put your hand in up. Down, right there. No, yeah. Now up top where your hand is,
Right
there's zoom buttons.
No.
He just farted.
How do you get it to go back?
The other side of it.
Videotaping your face.
Whose?
Yours. Oh. This is this crappy little room we had to stay in. There's Mommy. Oh, look at me.
Take a look at real beauty over here.
Yeah. There's your car seat. There's your bassinet. There's our TV. There's our fan because this room is so freaking hot. See how crusty it is? I zoomed in on it. There's our closet.
It's a packed with Molly's photos.
And there you are again, still eating.
Who are you filming?
Him. His drool. Look at how messy you were. Oh, you're so cute. And it's running down his face. Wait, he's gonna stick his hand in his mouth.